Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on NFC in Settings Connections. This activates the radio that reads tags and cards. Once done, set defaults under Tap and pay so the S22 Ultra uses your preferred app. That choice matters because it determines which app handles transactions or tag data. Make sure to remove or thin down cases. Metal and thick rubber can block the field, and hold your phone so the top back area faces the tag for consistent reads. Now you practice reading and writing. Open Google Wallet to test payments or install NFC tools for custom tasks. After launching the app, choose Read to verify tag contents. Choose Write to encode NDEF records like URLs, text, or app launch commands. Picking the right record type changes what happens when scanned. While writing, keep the phone steady. The S22 Ultra's coil sits near the top back, so align within 0 to 2 centimeters and avoid moving until the app confirms success. Finish by securing NFC. Enable a screen lock so payments require verification and restrict which app is default for tap actions. This prevents accidental transactions. To confirm reliability, test with several tags and another phone to see if issues are the tag, the reader, or your device. If scans fail, reboot the S22 Ultra, toggle NFC off and on, and clear the NFC app cache. If problems persist, remove cases and retry. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most connectivity errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.